We will be studying automated machine learning in this lecture. There are many kinds of machine learning algorithm that we can use to train a model, and sometimes it is not easy to determine the most effective algorithm for our particular data and prediction requirements. Additionally, we can significantly affect the predictive performance of a model by pre-processing the training data using techniques such as normalization, missing feature imputation, and others. In our quest to find the best model for our requirements, we may need a combination of algorithms and pre-processing transformations, which takes a lot of time and compute resources. Azure machine learning enables us to automate the comparison of models trained using different algorithms and pre-processing options. We can use a visual interface in Azure Machine Learning Studio or the SDK to leverage this capability. This SDK gives us greater control over the settings for the automated machine learning experiment, but the visual interface is easier to use. So let's jump in and use the Python SDK for this. We already created the workspace WSAG. We downloaded the config.json file. We are connecting to this workspace through this, and then we are preparing the data. We are taking two files, diabetes.csv and diabetes2.csv, and we are uploading them into the default data store. We can find in the default data store, this is our data store, and this is the data store. And if we go to our data store out here, it will take some time. So let us go back. So this has been uploaded, and then we make a tabular data set. From the tabular data set, we then register the data set in our workspace. And once we register the data set, we split the data into 70% as training and 30% as test. So as we are saying, so this is it is still coming up. So here the data set is registered here, the diabetes data set, and it is pointing to diabetes data / star.csv. So this is the thing that we are having right now. Now we prepare the compute because we would require it to train in a cluster in a machine, and we are using the standard DS11 V2 machine for this. So this is done, and then we configure the automated machine learning. So the metrics which are used for automated machine learning are AUC weighted, average precision weighted, nor macro recall, accuracy, and precision score weighted. We are also using the AutoML config here. The name is automated ML experiment. The task is classification. The compute target is a training cluster. The training data is a training data set. The validation data is a test data set. The column name which is used here is the diabetic, which is used for classification. The number of iterations are 4. The primary metric is AUC weighted. The max concurrent iterations is 2. So this is the AutoML config that we are using. We then run an automated machine learning experiment here, and we submit the AutoML config. Once we are done, we get the child run details. So these are the child run details which are here. We are getting the get metrics, and here since it is used, we are using the 4 iterations. And we are seeing the best run metrics. The best run metrics is out here. We can go into the experiments, and in the experiments we can see the child runs. So these are the runs that are here, and for each run we can see the models, which is a model which is here, the Max AppScaler Lite GBM, which has the AUC weighted the highest, which is 0.9908. If we go down here, we can see in detail the hyperparameters. So it is a max upscaler and the light GBM classifier is used. If we go back and see what are the other models, you see there is a voting ensemble. Here in the voting ensemble, what we are having is there are two models that we have used. Max upscaler is the transformation and XGBoost is another algorithm. And it has a weight of 0.25. There is a max upscaler and the light GBM that is also there. So these are the models that we have used. Note here that here as specified there are 4 models and the highest score is 0.99048. So here we can see all these details down here, and we can get the best run by using AutoML run.getOutput, which is the best run. The best run.get metrics will give you the best run metrics, and if you see here, the best AUC weighted is 0.99048. So this is how we are getting the best run. And then what we are doing is that we are registering the model, and so that the model is registered into our workspace. So if we go down here and go to models, if you click on this model, you see that this is a run ID, and the run ID is pointing to 99048, which is our best model. This is a max upscaler light GBM, that is the best model that we already have. So this is how we are registering the best model. Hope you liked it. So in summary, what we are doing is that we are utilizing AutoML. The AutoML chooses the best data transformation. It chooses the best combination of the transformation and the algorithm to get it. Thank you. Hope you liked it.